Happy Friday! I'm back and on time this time. Is that the way I say it? Anyway, I apologize for being a little late last week, so thanks for your patience as the newsletter got off a day late, but I'm here, I'm back on time. Anyway, I wanted to let you know that we got all of the uh, park and stay people that are going in Milwaukee at the Holiday Inn, all of that all set up. You should have gotten a receipt. If you didn't, feel free to pop us an email and we can get a copy sent over. We just want to make sure you know there might have been a snafu on your receipt on the dates. And so everybody is scheduled to stay overnight on March 31st. And then we fly out on the 1st. So you have the one night stay. Then for parking, it's from March 31st until April 8th. So whether or not your invoice says something different, ignore it. We've got you covered. So that's all set. The other item on the newsletter, I do have a link to Amstar, who takes care of all of the excursions when we're there. We'll have a little welcome reception where they'll talk about the area and the options for excursions at that time. We will likely have a group sign up for one of the group excursions. That's all coming. We don't quite have all those details laid out yet, but you can start looking at excursions and getting ideas for what you might want to see and do. So I recommend waiting to sign up for excursions until we're there. We found in the past that sometimes you can get better, I'm going to be honest, deals when you're on site. And I just don't want you to schedule something and then find out you could have saved some bucks when we were there, that they are offering some special 2-for-1 or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's just our past experience. If there's something that you for sure want to do and you need to sign up for it ahead of time because it's so limited, feel free to reach out to me and I can help guide you on possibly what day you might want to do it. But honestly, most everything you usually can wait until we're there. So that would be with regards to excursions. What else can I share with you? I don't know if anybody's starting to think about packing, but you all have one checked bag and one carry-on included with your travel package. So you can start thinking about that checked bag, what you're going to bring. It can't exceed 50 pounds. So if you want to start laying the clothes out, and you don't need a lot, right? You're going somewhere warm. But yeah, start laying it out. And yeah, you might want to weigh it a couple times. Make sure you don't exceed that 50 pounds. You want to leave a little room for maybe some souvenirs. Yeah. Anyway, gosh, I think that's all for now. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and we will see you next week. Bye.